Everyone has a different way of learning. Peek into any teenager's bedroom around exam time. See all the different cramming methods. You more than likely have your own style, whether you know it or not. But why do learning styles matter? Have you ever noticed how there are times when things just click with you, and other times you just can't get your head around it? Perhaps there's a tutor you remember because they were particularly good, or particularly bad. Maybe you've been the trainer, and some people just don't seem to get even the most simple of concepts. This is all down to a misalignment of learning styles. This clash can be hugely frustrating for everyone, and can really affect the functioning of your team. In this video, we're going to define the 4 main learning styles according to Honey and Mumford. Knowing about these styles is useful in 2 ways. 1. If you're on the receiving end of the learning, it will help you to understand what your own learning style is, and then it will help you expand on it to get the most out of any training. And 2. If you're delivering the learning, it will help you overcome these differences in style and adapt your methods to suit everyone. Style 1. The Reflector. Their motto is look before you leap. The Reflector likes to stand back and look at the big picture. They take their time to do their research and examine every option before making any decisions, if they ever make them at all. This style of learner does not enjoy presenting to the group and will drown if thrown in at the deep end. They prefer to take a back seat in discussions, listening to everyone else before making their own points. Style 2. The Activist. Their motto is, I'll try anything once. The Activist is open-minded, full of energy and super enthusiastic. The problem is, once the excitement has died down, they quickly get bored, lose interest, and look for the next activity. These learners like to brainstorm, getting excited by new challenges, but bored with implementation. They enjoy group activities, but do tend to centre it around themselves. Style 3. The Theorist. It's logical is their motto. These analytical learners have a great eye for detail, thinking through problems in a rational, step-by-step way and with great detail. However, they're not the most creative of people. This style of learner is not comfortable with ambiguity and may reject anything that does not fit into their own particular mindset. Style 4. The Pragmatist. Their motto is just do it. They are essentially practical, down-to-earth people who like solving problems, often through trial and error. They like to get on with things and act quickly on ideas that attract them. These learners are happy to present to a group as they're fairly confident and enjoy abstract concepts. So, which one are you? Now, which one are you really? Use what you know about these 4 styles to improve your learning and/or teaching.